Hi friends, welcome to the accountancy class. Today in this module, we are going to learn about the term income and expenditure account. Enterprise are profit earning entities since their main objective is to earn profit. In contrast to these entities, there are also non-profit organizations whose main objective is not to earn profit but to serve the society and its members. Non-profit organizations, also known as not-for-profit organization, are set up with the objective to further cultural, educational, health, religious, public services to public or members, etc., not with the purpose of earning profit. Examples of such organizations are schools, colleges, public hospitals, literary societies, societies for promotion of sports, arts and culture, social welfare organizations, clubs, etc. Funds required for activities of a non-profit organizations are normally sourced by its members, trustees, etc., as donations, membership fees, and subscription, etc. Funds received by non-profit organizations may be donation received, membership fee or entrance fee received, subscription received, loans and grants from government or from other financial institutions. Non-profit organizations are set up with a purpose to further cultural, educational, religious, professional, or public service. They are raised by way of membership fee, subscription, donation, and surplus from operations. In the balance sheet, it is shown as general fund or capital fund or corpus fund. The important financial statements prepared by non-profit organizations are receipts and payments account, income and expenditure account, and balance sheet. Balance of income and expenditure account is either surplus or deficit. Its profit is not distributed among its members. Non-profit organizations prepares annual or final accounts showing the financial transactions of the organization for its members and to comply with statutory requirements. Financial statements or final accounts of a non-profit organizations include receipts and payments account, income and expenditure account, and balance sheet. Non-profit organizations are not set up for the purpose of earning profit. Therefore, they do not prepare profit and loss account. Instead, they prepare income and expenditure account at the end of the accounting period to determine surplus or deficit. Incomes and gains are credited to this account while expenses and losses are debited. The difference between the two sides is either surplus or deficit. Surplus is added to the capital fund, whereas deficit is deducted from the capital fund in the balance sheet. Income and expenditure account is prepared at the end of the accounting period, matching revenue receipts with revenue expenses to determine surplus or deficit. It is prepared following accrual basis of accounting. Revenue expenses for the accounting period are taken whether they have been paid or not. Revenue incomes for the accounting period are taken whether they have been received or not. Non-cash expenses such as depreciation are accounted. Capital expenditure, the example purchase of land, are not considered because they are shown in the balance sheet. Capital income or receipts, example donation for specific purpose, are not considered. Next, we are going to learn about the differences between income and expenditure account and profit and loss account. Profit and loss account is an important financial statement prepared by the profit motive organizations. But in the case of income and expenditure account, this is the important statement prepared by the non-profit motive organization. Example, hospital, schools, charitable institutions, sports clubs, etc. Income and expenditure account is an account which is prepared for finding the excess of income over expenditure, excess of expenditure over incomes. In the case of profit and loss account, this is the account which is prepared for finding out the net profit or net loss. The objective of preparing trading and profit and loss account is to know the profitability of the concern, because these statements are prepared by profit motive organizations. But in the case of income and expenditure account, the objective of preparing income and expenditure account is to know the deficit amount or surplus amount, because these organizations are not run for earning profit. Their main aim is to render services. Next, we are going to learn about the important features of or characteristics of income and expenditure account. In the case of income and expenditure account, there is no opening balance. Opening balance is not required to prepare income and expenditure account. But in the case of receipts and payments account, it starts with opening balance. Then in the case of income and expenditure account, transactions are recorded on the basis of accrual basis. Income and expenditure accounts are prepared on the basis of receipts and payments account. In the case of income and expenditure account, we record only revenue nature transactions. Capital nature transactions will be recorded in balance sheet, both opening balance sheet and closing balance sheet. In income and expenditure account, we consider only current year's transaction. That means if there is any last year's balance or next year, that is next accounting year's transactions, that transactions will be excluded while preparing income and expenditure account. That means there is no need to make the adjustment of last year's or next year's balance or next year's transactions. In income and expenditure account, we consider only current year's transactions. The objective of preparing income and expenditure account is to know the current year's surplus or deficit. These are the important characteristics or features of income and expenditure account. It should be noted that income and expenditure account does not have an opening balance. Closing balance is either surplus or deficit, which is transferred to capital fund, also known as general fund or corpus fund, and shown in the balance sheet. Current accounting period's revenue items only are considered, and incomes and expenditure relating to the preceding or succeeding accounting periods are excluded while preparing the income and expenditure account. Revenue nature expenditure is that expenditure benefit of which expires within the accounting period. In the context of non-profit organization, revenue expenditure means expenditure incurred for social or charitable purpose for which it is set up but excluding the capital expenditure. Example, salaries to staff, rent paid, insurance paid, etc. Thank you.